A well-known saying says that birds of a feather flock together. And I'm going to try and show you the validity of that remark. For example, if I take here literally just 1, 2, 3, 4 black cards and put them over here, and on the other side take literally nothing more than 1, 2, 3, 4 red cards and put them over here. If I take a red card and a black card and exchange their places, if birds of a feather did indeed flock together, I'd just have 1, 2, 3, 4 black cards over here, and I'd just have literally 1, 2, 3, 4 red cards over here. Now, if I can do it with 1, is it possible to do it with 2? So for example, if I take 2 cards and put them over here, all I've got left over here is just 2 black cards. And if I do exactly the same with these, literally take 1, 2 and put them over here, I've got 2 red cards which I'm putting on the top over here. Now if indeed birds of a feather do flock together, then of course obviously all of the black cards would be over here, and all of the red cards of course would be over here. Well, not quite. It's still birds of a feather flocking together, but not necessarily the cards that you originally thought they would be. And that is birds of a feather.